testing different foods to see if my chickens like them. Disclaimer, all of these foods are safe for chickens in small amounts. So here we have crushed Cheez-Its, uncooked ramen, and uncooked oatmeal. Now, let's go see if they like them. Let's test the uncooked Cheez-Its first. Looks like a yes. Now for the ramen. Looks like that's a yes too. Now for the oatmeal. That is definitely a yes. Make sure to like and subscribe.